even gonna worry about my hair right now because I don't know what she's doing. Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing another tutorial. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a look I did a while ago on my Instagram account. It's a purple halo eye. This look actually got featured on the bhcosmetics website, which is really cool. But I really love this look, so I thought I would do a tutorial on it today. So yeah, if you guys want to find out how to get the look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I thought in today's video I would actually show myself doing my eyebrows and my face makeup because I haven't in my last videos. I'm not going to do like a tutorial on them, but you know, at least you can like see what I'm doing. Okay, so just did my eyebrows, so I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow now. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the bhcosmetics, you can't see it, the bhcosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. So the first shade that I'm going to be using is this light lilac shade right at the bottom, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. Okay, so I just finished applying that transition shade. So now I'm just going to be using this purple shade right up there, and I'm going to be taking it on the same brush and just kind of using that to darken up the purple a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this dark purple shade right there. Okay, so it was this color right here. I didn't get it in the frame. On a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to really focus into the crease and the sides of my eye. Okay, so I'm just going to take this big fluffy blending brush again, and I'm just going to like clean it off and use it to like blend everything together and make it look blended. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking this dark blue shade right there, and I'm just going to be taking that on a more compact brush just to blend in the inner and outer corner of my eye. Okay, so now that the eye is looking like this, looking a little bit crazy, so now we're gonna like do the concealer to make it a halo eye. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape in just a flat Morphe brush. Okay, so now that it looks like this, I'm going to be applying the shimmer shade. So I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Prismatic Shadow in the shade Frostbite. And I'm just going to be applying that on a flat brush onto the part where I put concealer. Okay, so now that I applied that, I'm going to be adding some of this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter. This is in the shade Glam Rock, and I'm just going to be putting that like on top of my eyelid just to like add more sparkle. Okay, so now that I finished that, I'm just going to go back in with the purple shades, and I'm just going to be using them on the inner and outer corner just to like blend it back in and make it look good. Okay, so I just did the other eye and it didn't really turn out as good as I wanted to, but that's okay. Once you put lashes on, it'll fix everything. I'm gonna do my face makeup now, so okay, so this is the finished look. This look came out a lot better the first time I did it, but that's okay. It's still cute. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to check out my other videos, I have some posted. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.